Hello everyone, it is Cyneward, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Facecam overlay for your streaming platform or YouTube. All free. You can go down below in the description, download paint.net, and that's what we're actually going to use for this tutorial. So, first things first, we're going to go ahead and go to New, and you're going to do the size of your canvas, typically. I'm going to do 1920 by 1080, even though if you stream in 720p, it's okay. Let me see here, 1920 by 1080, okay. And once you do that, you're going to go ahead and go down here to the bottom right. You're going to zoom out just so you can see what you're working with. You're going to go ahead and click the Move Selected Pixels. You're going to click inside of here and hit Delete. That's going to make the inside of your border transparent. Next, you're going to go ahead and go to Shapes, right there. Rectangle. I'm going to choose rectangle. You can choose whatever shape you want, honestly. Just make sure that the draw shape outline is on there. As far as the brush width, this is going to be the width of the actual border. Me, I'm going to go with, I think 15 should be good. After that, you're going to go ahead and once you choose your color, we're going to just choose a nice bright yellow. You're going to go to the very top corner and you're going to drag this out and cover the entire outside of your rectangle. Done. That's all you have to do for that. That's the basic border. Now, what do you want to do if you want to have some, different colors, like a gradient? Well, I'm going to show you that next. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and click off here, hit enter. You can actually go to the magic tool, the magic wand right over here. You're going to actually click the outer rim. There you go. Once you see the dotted line, that's when you know it's selected. From there, you're going to go ahead and click the gradient tool. And then from here is the fun part, the really fun part. Make sure your secondary color is something completely different. We're going to do a very dark color just for the second color. Now you can go from left, you're going to click and hold somewhere on here from the left, right, top, down, vice versa. So we're going to start going down. You're going to click, hold, and then scroll up. As you scroll up, you're going to notice that the colors are starting to change. Do you see that right there? From right here, you got the darker blue on the outside, on the top, and then you've got the lighter color on the bottom. If you want to do, you just honestly just play around with it. This is all personal preference. There's no best way or best look. Just play around with it. So I'm just gonna pick one right now. I'm gonna go. I think we're gonna do that right there. I think that's perfect. So what you're gonna do, click the select tool, click somewhere else, just hit enter. You're done for that. Now let's say you want to add like some sort of glow. A really strong glow. This is the coolest part I think there is. There's a couple ways to do this. You can either add a shape in here. You know what? I'm just going to show you. So what we're going to do, we are going to pick shapes. I'm just going to pick a random shape. We're just going to pick this triangle right here. You're going to do that. Let's just say you pick, I don't know, like right here. All right, we're going to move this down about right here, but don't let it touch the other line, okay? I'm going to put it like right there, okay? Now, from there, we're going to pick the magic wand. You're going to click the shape that you just made. Go up to Effects, Blurs, Gaussian Blur, and this is where the magic happens. As you move this up, you notice that it's going to disappear. What that's going to do is add a glow. You're going to do that. You go to the Selection tool. You can move this back down about like, I don't know, like maybe like right here. And enter. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. If you notice, it did add a glow. So that it's like a faded glow, if you will. So it's a pretty cool feature. If you want to do it here, the reason I made the shape and decided to go with the fill is I put it out here because if you actually draw the shape on the previous line that you did, when you hit the magic wand, it's going to highlight all of it. Unless you make a different layer. If you make a different layer, we're going to go ahead and test it. Go to shapes, draw the outline. We're going to choose, I don't know, we're going to choose this arrow, okay? I'm going to draw the arrow about right here, okay? Now we're going to move it. Paint bucket. Let's do, we're going to do this one. Let me switch it. There we go. We're going to do that right there. Once you draw your shape, we're on the second layer, okay? You can uncheck this if you want. On the second layer, we're going to Effects, Blurs, Gaussian Blur, and look at that. You add the blur right there, and it gives it that glow. that you want. So if you want to play around with it, you can experiment, do different things with it. It's entirely up to you. This Gossip Blur is going to help out so much. But there you go. That's pretty much it. This is quick, to the point on how to make a Facecam border. All you have to do from there is just hit File, Save As. Let's just do Tutorial Facecam. Bam. Hit Save, and you're done. And once you actually apply it, it's going to look like, well, what you see here around me. That's pretty much it. I didn't add really any blurs because I didn't really want any blurs. I might in the future, but paint.net, super free, super easy to do, and the link's below. So if you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and type them down in the comments below. I check my comments every single day, so go ahead and just leave that if you want. But other than that, I want to thank you all for stopping in, watch this really quick video. Please, if you don't mind, if you did find this video quite informative and it did help you, go ahead and just leave a like. If you don't mind, it would really help me out a lot. And subscribe for more content. I do a variety of different things here. But other than that, you all have a great rest of the day. Stay hydrated, stay cool. Cyneward out.